Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view TikTok videos without the app. First, open a browser on your phone. This can be Chrome, Safari, or any web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type TikTok and search. Open the TikTok website from the search results. You'll be taken to the TikTok homepage. You can browse TikTok videos without signing in, or you can log into your TikTok account for a personalized experience. Here, you can explore and view TikTok videos directly in your browser without downloading the app. Scroll through the TikTok feed just like you would in the app. If you like a video, tap the heart icon on the right side to like it. Tap the comments icon below to view and read comments on the TikTok video. You can also share TikTok videos by tapping the share icon. This lets you send videos to friends or copy the link. Keep in mind that TikTok's web version has most features, but some options like uploading videos might be limited. For full functionality, you can use the TikTok app, but for just watching videos, the web browser version works perfectly. And that's how you view TikTok videos without the app. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more TikTok tips and web browsing tutorials. Thanks for watching.